Well, when we first started, we were not incorporated.
Mhm.
But you have to, in order to open a business bank account, you need to have official papers, and that means incorporating. So we did that fairly quickly, but again, that takes time. And it didn't happen overnight. The Early Learning Coalition came about because at the federal level and the state level, there was a need for quality child care to be provided. And we've done it throughout the years by insisting that there be quality, by providing materials, by providing support to our providers, by providing information to parents, by insisting that quality be the number one thing we deal with. We have instituted programs that have affected thousands of children over the course of the 20 years. And those children are now working parents on their own and are sometimes in need of the child care services that the coalition provides. We're here ready, willing, and able to do that for them. In 1999, there were a number of different ways of providing that child care. Through home care, through group activity care, through centers. And the coalition became the organization that was designated to look at how we could make the best quality care for your child. Teachers need child care. Nurses need child care. Workers in our factories need child care. Truck drivers need child care. People who have children need some place for them to be safe and to be well educated and to have some caring adults with them during the course of time when they can't be with their parents. The idea that we were able to move ahead and start doing things on our own, providing improvements to our providers' facilities for them, providing playground equipment, providing materials, providing training, providing things that they had not necessarily had before, was a significant start. We've done things that have improved literacy across the board in the community. We've had events where we've created the Born Learning Trails, which have been highly utilized. There are children at those things all the time, and parents are utilizing that. We've done some things with creating partnerships in the community, one of them being our partnership with Success by Six. And that's allowed us to do some things that might not otherwise have happened. We moved 5 times. We started at the Cascades in a very small space. We ended up on 17th Street in a smaller space. We went to 25th Loop. We went to Lake Weir. And finally, we moved to this building, which is the only building owned by a coalition in the entire state. And we were fortunate to be able to have developed the kinds of relationships with the community that allowed us to let the county commission provide funding for us and to let other agencies and entities and businesses assist us with moving in and creating this building, which is now a center for providing our training and for providing things that will enhance the lives of our students. We have increased the number of providers. That means we've increased the number of children who are being served. We are known as an innovative organization. We try new things. If something works, wonderful. If it doesn't work, we retool and try something else the next year. And there is always a sense of moving forward and doing things not just in the same way, but in the way that we need to as a growing organization.